In today's video, I am going to teach you remove arrows from desktop shortcut icons. Windows 10 and 11. We'll walk through a quick registry tweak and a simple Explorer restart to refresh your desktop. Take your time, follow along carefully, and remember that small typos in the registry can prevent things from working as expected. Start by opening the search bar and typing Registry Editor. When you see it in the results, open it. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to continue. In the Registry Editor window, we're going to navigate through a specific path. Expand H key local machine, then open Software, then Microsoft. Then Windows. Next, open current version and then click Explorer. You should now be inside the Explorer folder. Right-click the Explorer folder, choose New, then Key, and name the new key shell icons. Make sure the spelling and spacing are exactly as stated. With shell icon selected, right-click in the right pane, choose New. Then String Value, and name it 29. Again, be precise with the number and avoid extra spaces. Now, double-click the 29 entry you just created. In the Value Data field, enter the value you intend to use to remove the shortcut arrow overlay. This tells Windows to replace the default overlay with your chosen setting. Type it carefully, confirm there are no leading or trailing spaces, and then click OK. When you are done, close the Registry Editor. Next, we'll refresh Windows Explorer so the change takes effect. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. If you don't see it on the taskbar menu, open Task Manager using your usual method. In Task Manager, find Windows Explorer in the list of processes. Right-click Windows Explorer and choose Restart. Your taskbar and desktop will briefly refresh. When it's finished, you can close Task Manager. Head back to your desktop and check your shortcuts. The arrows should no longer appear. If you still see arrows, review what you entered for the value data. Confirm the key is named shell icons exactly, and verify the string value is named 29. Correcting any typos and restarting Windows Explorer again usually resolves it. That's it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner looking desktop.